Cat, what's your name? Can you sing the Dorothy song?
I love you. I want you. I see you. I stop that I need to have it. Like you be. I know that I need to. I want you. I want you. I say.
Can you sing Connie? How about tomorrow? Annie's tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, how will wish tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow,
You're always. How about the other Annie, the song of Annie?
Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, I love
Bluebirds. Can you sing Bahay Kubo? Can you sing the Bilang?
I see dawa auto parking na ani pito ayo sampo ai 1 2 3 4 raja bisya isya adalah auto parking na ani
Pito.
ayo
Sampu. Tayong lahat ay magbilang. 1 hanggang 10. Tayo'y magbilang. How about the balloon song? Balloon song.
I look at a mirror. I want you. I see two big eyes that back at me. So happy around you. I don't listen. I just want you. I win change. I told it. I want to see. I want to see. I'm wishing. Wishing and wishing. I wish you please me.
Can you sing the balloon song? The Lobo song? Pambili ng
isa, dalawa. Somewhere over rainbow, you go far. Wish upon a star.
Can you sing the rainbow song?
Red
and okay, red and yellow and
pink and green, orange purple and
Blue.
I can see a rainbow, sing rainbow.
Sing a rain. Don't play with that. Sing a rainbow. Don't eat. Bow to bow. Can you bow? Bow.
Hello, Auntie. Hello.
Okay, sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Twinkle. Oh. Mm-hmm. How about any song? So open TV. Can you say karaoke? Say karaoke. Done. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. How about the kung ang ulan ay? Can you sing that?
Chocolate.
O anong sarap ng lalabas ako at nga ako. Hello? Hello, tatay? Say, salamat po. Kasi salamat po.
Somewhere over rainbow, bluebirds fly. Yeah, over rainbow, wish upon us all reaching. Somewhere over rainbow, bluebirds fly.
Bluebirds fly.
Watch, dirty mommy.
Say please. Bow first, bow. Can you bow? Bow.